Hello everyone and welcome. I am Fred LeMarche, a men's hairdresser here in Melbourne, Australia, and this is my model Dougie, who we are going to be making over today. So hey Dougie.
Hey guys.
So if any of you don't know who I am, I've been a hairdresser for 20 odd years, specialising in men for the past couple of years, and recently moved to Melbourne. And this year I'm once again a finalist in the Hair Expo Awards for Men's Hairdresser of the Year, which is where I met this gentleman here. Dougie was one of my models in my collection, and what was really cool with my collection, I focused on creating a collection full of blondes. So I really want to go in with a bit more of a colour collection, and so pushing that theme here today, we're going to do a really nice colour makeover on Dougie. If you head over to my Instagram, you'll see the kind of shot we did on Doug. And if you have a look, as you can see by what he's grown out with, he was a full bleach blonde a couple of weeks ago, full kind of square box cut bangs, everything really cool, really kind of like British kind of street vibes. And today we're going to change it up and we're going to make Dougie a ginger. So how do you feel about that?
Yeah, I'm excited. Yeah.
Okay. I think I love a bit of a ginger, and I kind of think Dougie's skin tone is just going to work so well being a redhead. I personally tend to really love gingers when they kind of go more towards the yellow side rather than the red side. So we're going to kind of work on some paler tones. So kind of working, if we have a look at Dougie's kind of natural colour, he's kind of like he's a natural kind of blonde, even though he's bleached up on the ends. I'm not too worried about what we're going to do with these top parts because, to be honest, once we finish colouring, we're going to do a haircut and most of that will disappear. So what I'm going to work on is creating a lot of like texture through the colour, through this top section, kind of a little bit more depth around the edges. So the colour around the ends will be a slightly deeper, warmer ginger, a bit more rich, and then through the top we're going to work with about 2 or 3 tones, some really pale blondes, just in a few little strands here and there, and some really kind of yellowy, floral kind of coppers that I think will really illuminate. So are you ready to get a little bit, get your ginger on?
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah? Who are we channeling today?
Ooh, definitely Riverdale vibes.
Yeah. I love her. She's, yeah, he's a babe. We're going to do some really cool copper, so we're going to take you downstairs, we're going to start working on this, and we'll come back and we'll have a little show at the end. Stay tuned.
You'll see the colour that we're going for today.
Orange.
Sunset.
Orange. Club 96.
Fake chicken.
Club 96. Are we recording?
Yeah. Outtakes.
Hey. So we are...
Subscribe to my Patreon.
Or his OnlyFans.
Yeah, do that.
His OnlyFans is like Pole Boy. There's a reason he's called Pole Boy.
Mm-hmm.
He rides a pole. That's going to make it in the final cut.
Yeah.
So we are taking a break because we have finished putting the colour in. As you can see, it's starting to develop and turn this lovely shade of light orange. It's going to be beautiful. I think it's like dead set feeling it's going to be beautiful. So we're having some little snack. We're having Lord of the Fries because it's vegan. Don't get me wrong, I'm not a vegan, but Dougie is. And so no vegan goodies need to be sent my way. Yeah, so all in all, the colour took about half an hour to do, a bit longer. We got a little distracted having a chat along the way. So we've got 2 shades of copper in there. We've got like a blonde, which will be copper once we tone it, and it'll be yellow. It's going to be kind of, I'm going to make it kind of like a yellowy wash because I want this to be really illuminated. And we've got the second copper and then the main copper. It's going to look phenomenal. So we're just going to dig in and come back once we rinse this off in probably about 10 minutes, and then watch the haircut happen. Okay, cool. Bye.
See ya.
So we've taken a break and we've come upstairs, and Zach is going to kind of give Dougie's brows a little bit of a makeover just so that it matches his skin a little bit more. Also, because we've got so much depth now, his brows kind of look transparent, so we're just going to kind of tighten them up a little, give him a little bit of a tint, and add a little bit more depth. You're almost nervous about this, aren't you, Dougie?
Yep.
Have you ever had your brows done before?
No.
Are you worried you're going to come out looking like J-Lo?
A little.
Is he going to come out looking like J-Lo?
No.
Mariah, maybe?
No.
You'll be fine, though. You'll be fine, Dougie. Are you most nervous about the wax or the tint?
The wax. Oh, the tin. Oh, I'm actually not sure.
We didn't really take any eyebrow. It was just the fluff underneath so the tint doesn't pick it up.
Nothing to be worried about, Dougie. A little bit of an eye makeover. Look at this ginger hair, how it's done look. So we're going to go back downstairs and we're going to tone it a little bit and just kind of turn those couple of blonde strands in. I'm going to put in into a little something, and then we'll be ready for the reveal.
I'm glad it looks as different as it, because I was a bit like, ooh, what if it's just kind of looks like oh, I'm going ginger, but it just I've cut the blonde off and it looks a little redder, but it looks substantially different. I didn't notice that before. It's not dark over your face.
No,
No.
because the light coming straight ahead.
Yeah, I guess it makes sense.
And we are back. And Dougie now has ginger hair. What do you think, Dougie?
I quite actually love it a lot. It's really nice.
I think it's so cool. So when I was talking about floral copper before, this is kind of what I was talking about. So if you put your head down a little bit, Dougie, we can kind of see that there's like a really beautiful rich base. There's some really nice kind of peachy golden highlights coming through, and then we've just kind of accentuated with a couple of really fine blondes. And those blondes are toned with kind of a slight kind of a soft iridescent yellow toner, just to kind of really amp them up a little bit, but not make them too canary yellow. We've also, Dougie also went in one of the treatment rooms here at Man and Man with Zach and had a bit of a brow tint. It was his first one ever.
A little nervous, but yeah.
You made it out alive.
Paid off.
Yeah, I think it's great. So when we look at Dougie's hair, after we colored it, having so much more richness in the hair just kind of made the blonde brows look a little more transparent. So we've just kind of done this to frame the face, give the eyes a little bit more shape, but also I think it just makes the eyes look a hell of a lot bluer. I think it looks good. I think it really suits being a ginger. And this was a big success, I'd say. The colour came out exactly like I'd imagined it. We also kind of then took away some kind of length from the back and sides, created some internal texture up here, and still came through and gave him the box fringe, which I think I really love on Dougie. So, how are you feeling?
Yeah, I'm really happy with it actually.
You're looking forward to taking on the world?
Yes, yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing my friends think about it. Very happy.
So Dougie is now like a ginger, so if anyone out there has a bit of a ginger fetish, are you single?
Yes.
Okay, so you can hit this one up and he'll come and say hello. So you reckon we're going to stay ginger for a while?
I think so.
So tell us what you think. I'm just noticing this camera is on an angle. But you know what, we're going to look past that. Tell us what you think. So I'm not sure what platform this video is going up on yet, but leave a comment below, tell me what you love, tell me what you hate, tell me what you love, because nobody likes negativity. And we will be back hopefully in a couple of months when Dougie's ready for a change, and maybe even change up a little again and just make it a little different.
Let's do it.
But you'll see photos up on the profile, so feel free to like, comment, do all those lovely things on the bottom of this, and we will see you guys next time.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.